Everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to create widgets for your macOS application using Flutter. So here, as you can see, I have created a Flutter app. Only if I can type the name properly. Okay, so here I have created a Flutter app, and now to create widgets there are few requirements. Firstly, you should be running on macOS Sonoma or higher. Secondly, like it's very difficult to do widgets in Flutter or Dart. You will have to write native code for it. So I will just open macOS because we are creating a widget for our macOS. So I'll just click on a runner. So it should open Xcode for you. Once that is done, you can just click on File, New, Target, then search for widget. Click next. You can give your widget whatever name you want. I'll just say it as my widget. I'll click on finish. I'll click activate. Once that is done, you should be able to see a folder called my widget over here, and here you will have to open this Swift file. Now for creating a widget, everything has to be in Swift UI. So I'll keep the business logic same for now. I'll later on make a video on how to create your own business logic. For now I'll just change this UI. So I'll just change it to text hello from Flutter. Okay, and I'll quickly run this. So here, before running this, you will have to select your runner. Okay, and I'll run it via terminal, but if you want you can just run it from Xcode as well. I'll just click on Flutter run, and here I will just pick macOS. So yeah, it has started building it. Let's wait for it to build. Once that is done, the next thing which we will have to do is you will have to click on this date and time, and here you will have to click on edit widgets. So let's just wait for the build to get finished. Hopefully any second now. Yeah, it is still building. Okay, I will click on open anyway. So here is my Flutter app running, and Flutter macOS app running. And here what I'll do is that I'll just go over here, click on edit widgets. Here I will just search for my Flutter app. So here you can see this is my Flutter app, and here then you can just click on this plus button to add your widget. Once that is done, just click on done, and as you can see, here is my widget being created on the desktop. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.